Here we have problem constant angular acceleration. Starting from the rest at time is equal to 0 second, a wheel undergoes a constant angular acceleration. Alpha is constant. When t is 1.5 second, the angular velocity of the wheel is 6.1 radians per second. The acceleration continues until 22 seconds. After that, alpha becomes 0. Through what angle does the wheel rotate in the interval of time is equal to 0 second and time is equal to 42 seconds? Okay, as you can see here, I have divided each part to understand more clearly what's happening there. Now, in the first case, we know that when time initial is equal to 0 second, omega initial will be 0 radians per second, correct? Now, in the time final is equal to 1.5 second, the omega final becomes 6.1 second. Then from here, actually, we can find the angular acceleration, alpha, where alpha is equal delta omega divided by delta t, where omega final minus omega initial divided t final minus t initial. So if you want to find the alpha, then it becomes 6.1 radians per second minus 0 radians per second divided 1.5 second minus 0 second. So from here you can calculate what is the alpha. Okay, now then in the third case, so this is 1 and 2, right? Now in the third case, what we have constant acceleration until 22 seconds. After that it becomes 0. So now let's find a theta 1 when time is from 0 to 22 seconds. Okay, the formula will be omega initial t plus alpha t squared over 2. Now since we know that omega initial is 0, so therefore you have to find the theta 1. If you plug the number, of course you have to calculate alpha. So the alpha time is, in our case, is 22 seconds, okay? Squared divided by 2. Right now I don't have a calculator, so you have to do calculation yourself. And now, so in the part 3 we found the theta 1, okay? Of course, in the part 4, after 22 seconds, alpha becomes 0, then our omega becomes constant. Okay, that means we have to find the final angular velocity when time is 22 seconds. So how can we find that one? Okay, so we have another formula where omega final is equal omega initial plus alpha t. Now, of course, initial is 0. The alpha, again, you have to calculate. And time here will be, so the alpha, let's skip alpha, and time is 22 seconds. Okay? Now, if you do calculation, you will find what is the omega final, right? So, omega final was 22 seconds. Okay, the calculation you have to do it yourself. So now, after 22 seconds, our alpha is 0 and omega is constant, right? So this omega constant is actually in our case omega final. Okay, that means from time 22 seconds until 42 seconds, omega is constant. Okay, so that means we can say that what will be the delta t here? Delta t will be delta 2 minus delta 1, which is 42 seconds minus 22 seconds, okay? Which delta t gives you 20 seconds. Okay. After that you have to find the theta. Now the theta is equal delta theta is equal omega delta t. Okay, now omega is constant, delta t is 20 seconds, so omega is, we didn't calculate it, so you have to take this omega final times 20 seconds. Now then you can find what is the omega delta omega. Okay, and finally total omega total theta is equal theta 1 plus this delta theta. So that's it.